In the world there will be made a king who will have little peace and a short life. At this time the ship of the papacy will be lost, governed to its greatest detriment. Napoleon crowned himself King and Emperor of France on May 18, 1804, and abdicated in April 1814, after governing for only 10 years. Peace was not a hallmark of his era. Pius VII, 1823, came to France to make Napoleon emperor, but on his second visit, he arrived as a prisoner. The French army, led by General Miollis, seized Rome in 1809, and the Papal States joined the French Empire in 1810. Napoleon imprisoned the Pope, who was finally liberated by abdication at Fontainebleau on January 23, 1814. The final paragraph relates to the broad theological chaos that reigned in France following the abolition of the clergy in